If you are a wildlife photographer, you'll never go back from back button focus. And now I'll show you why. Welcome back, I am Tommaso, and in today's video I will show you why back button focus is so great, when you should use it, and how to set it up on Nikon cameras. With the basic settings on your camera, when you half press the shutter click, the camera will start focusing on the subject, and when you want to take the shot you just press it completely and the camera will take the picture. If you allow the back button focus, what you do is removing the autofocusing when half pressing the shutter click and bring this autofocusing to another button on the rear of the camera, and the shutter click will only take the shot in the end. It happens so many times to have the opportunity to take some awesome action shots, but just when you're ready to press the shutter click, the camera misses the focus and focuses on the background and you just get completely blurry images. But with back button focus I was ready to take shots like this or like this without losing most of them. Another reason for which back button focus is a great choice is because it can allow you to compose better an image. For example, if you have the subject in the center, you just focus on it by pressing the button on the rear of your camera, and then you move the camera in order to have the subject in one of the corners, and then you just press the shutter click. This way you will have a perfect focus subject and also a well composed image. Let's see how to set it up. Go to your menu. Now go under Custom Setting menu and select Autofocus. Select Autofocus Activation and go on AF on only. Go back to your menu and this time check out Controls. Here you have to activate the assignment of the button to the focusing. To enable it also on the live view, go on Movie and do the same. This setting can be a bit more difficult to use at the beginning, but I assure you that in the end your shots will be much better and you'll never lose again those fantastic action shots. If you have something in particular that you would like me to talk about it in the next video, make sure to leave a comment with it and I'll make it possible to talk about it. Before leaving this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel and activate notifications, and also check out me on Instagram and on my website. See you for the next video.